Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In this video, today we're going to explore the T dating app and how to use it. Let's get started. T is a woman-only dating review app designed to keep the dating world safer. It lets women anonymously post reviews, share warning or green flags about men based on their dating experiences. Think of it like Yelp for dating, but private, anonymous, and focused on pets. Now to start using T, here's how to set it up. First, go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. Tap on your App Store, search T Dating Advice on the search bar, and after this icon pops up, tap on that and you'll get the install button right here. So tap on install and then open up your app. Now, to verify your identity, upload a selfie and photo ID. This is to confirm you're a real woman. Screenshots inside the app are blocked for safety reasons. Then once verified, you'll access the main anonymous feed. Now let's walk through the main details and how to use them. To browse or post reviews, see posts about men including first name, age, and city. Posts include experiences, red flags, or praise. Tap on a post to read more, react, or comment. Then to search names and set alerts, type in a man's name to search for posts. You can also turn on alerts to be notified if someone new posts about the person. Run reverse image searches to catch catfishing. Use phone number lookups or even criminal background check. Free users get limited checks or upgrade to premium $15 per month. Then you can also participate in Tea Party group chats to ask questions or share updates. Everything stays anonymous, verified, and moderated. So here's how they protect users. No screenshots are allowed inside the app. Anonymous posting. Your identity is never shown. Automated moderation removes hateful or harmful content. Men aren't allowed on the platform. The app empowers women to help each other avoid bad experiences while staying respectful and anonymous. So that's the T dating app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions in the video. Bye.